In today's video, we will see how to update the application username of a bookmark application through the Okta API. To perform these steps, you will need an Okta org and Postman. You need to have already configured Postman to work with Okta. Let's get started. First, we will acquire the application ID of the bookmark application. This can be found by navigating to the bookmark application in Okta and viewing the URL bar. Alternatively, this application ID can be acquired through a List Apps API call. Next, we will retrieve the app user ID of the user assigned to the bookmark application. We will do this with a List Users Assigned to App API call. We will replace App ID with the application ID we retrieved in the previous step. We will then take note of the returned app user ID. Lastly, we will update the assigned bookmark user's username. We will do this with a Update App Credentials for Assigned User API call. We will replace the app ID and user ID variables with the values we retrieved in the previous step. We will then edit the API call body and provide the updated bookmark username. In this case, we will use bookmark.user.new at exampletest.com. After running the API call, the username will be updated. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.